for my video demonstration. So I am going to show how to attach 3D models in our PowerPoint presentation. So 3D models help the students see objects from different angles. So instead of just imagining how something looks, so they can view it clearly and realistically. So how we are going to attach? First, we are going to click insert and then click also the 3D models and then type what kind of 3D models we are going to find in the online sources. So for example, we will be using heart. So we will be clicking the heart and then click also insert. So we have to wait first because my internet connection is slow. Okay, so after clicking the insert, we have to wait. Okay, so 3D models grabs attention. So when you rotate or zoom in on a model, so we will be using heart as our model for this demonstration. So it keeps the audience interested and focus. So we can easily grab the attention of the students. So it will make them clearly understand what we are going to portray. So here is our heart. So we now have a 3D model of a heart. So as you can see, it is moving. So we can transfer it to the other side. So on where rather we are going to put our heart. So we can also rotate our 3D model. So like this, so that the students can clearly see the parts of our heart. So okay, so we can rotate it 360, no? So okay, so the human heart is one of the most important organs in our body. So specifically, it is in science subject. So under the topic, which is the circulatory system. So the heart is part of the circulatory system because it pumps blood throughout the body. It works together with the blood vessels and blood to deliver oxygen and nutrients to all parts of our body. So for now, how are we going to zoom in and out our 3D model? So you are going to use the pan and zoom. So as you can see, we are going to click the 3D model above, and then after clicking the 3D model above, we can see the pan and zoom. So if the pan and zoom above is already in gray color, so it means it is functioning. So we can now what? We can now zoom in and zoom out our 3D model. So we can now clearly see our, what do you call this one? Our heart. So if our pan and zoom, okay, clicking our object, our 3D model rather, and then clicking the 3D model above. So if our pan and zoom is already in gray shade, so it means that it is functioning. So in order to undo the zoom in and out, we will click again the pan and zoom. So without having the gray shade, so it is not functioning anymore. So this 3D model really helps the students to understand more, because instead of just looking at a flat picture, students can rotate and observe the heart from different angles. This improves understanding